In 2024, AI startups raised $60 billion. By 2026, 80% of them could be dead. Sound familiar? It's .com 2.0, but with more GPUs and less HTML. AI will change everything, again, just like it did last year and the year before that. We're living in the golden age of startups calling themselves AI-powered because they slap ChatGPT on a spreadsheet. Welcome to the AI boom of the 2020s, where investor dollars flow, job titles get rebranded overnight, and every problem can apparently be solved by a chatbot. But is it innovation or inflation? Let's find out. In the late 90s, everyone had a .com idea. Pet food? Online. Lawn chairs? Online. Stocks? Through the roof. Until, they weren't. The NASDAQ dropped 75%, vaporizing around $5 trillion. Fast forward to today. Replace .com with AI, and it's deja vu with more buzzwords. From OpenAI and Google to startups you've never heard of, but swear they're going to revolutionize productivity. Everyone's in on the gold rush. But what happens when reality catches up with the hype? Let's roll back to the 1990s. The .com bubble was fueled by one thing. The internet is the future, which it was. But investors didn't wait for working business models. If you had a website and a press release, you got funding. Then the bubble popped. Billions lost. Pets.com became a meme. And tech learned that disruption needs revenue. Sound familiar? Because right now, AI is in its Pets.com era. Every company is racing to prove it's got machine learning in its DNA. HR tools, dating apps, even your local grocery store's inventory system, powered by AI. Translation, someone called the OpenAI API once. It's not just product rebranding, it's job titles too. Suddenly, data analyst is AI strategist. Copywriter becomes prompt engineer. And if your app doesn't have an Ask Our AI button, are you even trying? Let's talk about OpenAI, the poster child of modern artificial intelligence. ChatGPT went viral faster than any product in history. And yes, it's impressive. It writes essays, answers questions, and sometimes even makes sense. But it also confidently makes things up. That's not intelligence. That's your friend at trivia night who refuses to say, I don't know. Then there's Nvidia, the real winner of this hype cycle. While everyone else builds apps on top of models, Nvidia sells the picks and shovels, aka GPUs. Their market cap hit $3.9 trillion in 2025, briefly surpassing Apple. Not bad for a chip company. Meanwhile, VCs are tossing cash at anything with AI in the pitch deck. In early 2025, AI startups attracted 53% of all global VC funding. Whether it's generating cat photos, fake boyfriends, startup names, or AI-generated motivational quotes with cosmic backgrounds, there's an AI for that. Some of it is revolutionary. Most of it, smoke, mirrors, and a fine-tuned prompt. And let's not forget the AI influencers. Suddenly, your LinkedIn feed is full of people posting ChatGPT screenshots like they found fire. Look, it wrote a to-do list. Yes, so can Notepad. AI can automate work, improve medicine, write code, and detect fraud. These are real use cases. But for every legit breakthrough, there are 100 LinkedIn posts promising to redefine the human experience by making Excel suggest better formulas. Let's talk cost. Training large language models like GPT-4 requires tens of millions of dollars and massive amounts of energy. We're talking data centers hot enough to grill a steak. Then there's inference cost. Every time someone asks an AI to write a tweet, it runs a complex computation that isn't exactly free. Take AI in healthcare. It can spot tumors faster than some doctors, but one early model misdiagnosed 30% of cases because it was trained on biased, low-quality X-rays. Oops, not quite the medical revolution we were promised. AI systems also have major blind spots. They hallucinate, they're biased, they're only as good as the data they're trained on, which is often scraped from the internet, aka the world's largest landfill of human opinions. And people still trust them with medical advice and legal documents. What could go wrong? And yet the business models, mostly ads, subscriptions, and wishful thinking. Some companies charge $20 per month for premium access to tools that, at their core, remix Wikipedia. Meanwhile, open source models like Llama and Mistral are catching up fast. Who pays for a closed model when the free one is good enough and doesn't forget your name mid-conversation? Here's the thing. Like the internet in the 90s, AI is transformative. It will change how we work, learn, and create. But transformative tech doesn't mean immediate profit. And right now, we're in a gold rush where everyone is staking claims, but few are mining anything valuable. When the dot-com bubble popped, the internet didn't disappear. It matured. Amazon survived, Google thrived, most others vanished. The same will happen with AI. The hype will cool, investors will get pickier, half of today's AI startups will quietly pivot, fade, or get acquired for parts. The rest? Probably selling AI-generated NFTs of their own failure by 2027. And what about jobs? AI is disrupting them, sure, but not in a straight line. For every task it replaces, it creates a new set of problems. Content moderation, prompt engineering. Now we're hiring AI therapists to fix their identity crises. And here's the twist. Human skills, like critical thinking, communication, leadership, are becoming more valuable, not less. AI augments work, but it doesn't replace judgment, at least not yet. There are also legal questions. Who owns AI-generated content? Who's liable when it screws up? What happens when it plagiarizes, fabricates, or gives dangerous advice? And regulators? They're still figuring out what cookies are. So, will the AI bubble pop? Yes. And also, no. The nonsense will fade, the useful stuff will stick, the hype will deflate, but the core tech isn't going anywhere. Just like the internet, AI will become invisible, baked into everything, but no longer the headline. The winners will be the ones who build real value, not just viral demos, the tools that quietly work in the background, not the apps shouting, "Look, AI!" on every page. And the losers? Probably the people who thought a chatbot could replace their entire business model. In the end, the real test of AI won't be the next flashy demo. It'll be the boring stuff, helping scientists, streamlining logistics, improving accessibility. That's where AI stops being a trend and becomes infrastructure. That's the AI hype bubble. Thrilling, bloated, and maybe due for a reality check. If you like this takedown, hit that like button before your smart fridge recommends another crypto startup. Subscribe for more honest tech history, future flops, and the rare success stories. Drop a comment. What's the dumbest AI hype you've seen? Or will AI save us or scam us? Fight it out in the comments.